Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I wore this shirt the last time I did a video. If so, my bad, don't judge me. I have two of them, so yeah. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm looking very crazy right now. I need a trim, y'all. This is bad. Anyways, today's video, I did a poll on Instagram asking what style I should do because I needed help and I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So it was between a wash and go and a chunky twist out, and 100% so far, I mean it's only been up a few hours, but said chunky twist because I'm sure you guys are tired of me doing wash and goes, even though wash and goes are life, but that's okay, we'll try something else. So yes, Natural Rain did a chunky twist out that I fell in love with. Her results look super bomb, so I was like, oh yeah, I definitely need to try that. Because you know, when you do a twist out on wet hair, like you get shrinkage and stuff. Like it's cute, but like I want volume, I want length and all the good stuff. So we are gonna be doing this chunky twist out on stretched hair, as you guys can see. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just jump into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section off. Now, I did blow dry my hair using the tension method. It's basically where you just pull your hair very taut and then you hold the blow dryer like away from your hair, and then you just let the hair, you know, let it do its thing, and then when you take it off, it's dry. Simple, right? Alright, so now that that's sectioned off, today I'm going to be going in with the Mielle Twisting Souffle. This is a very thick product. You guys know I love this stuff. If you don't, now you know. It smells amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this to my hair. Yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my trifling Denman brush. And I say trifling only because I need a new one. I'm just going to separate that into equal parts. Y'all know the drill. It's just regular twist. And I'm just going to twist my hair. Now, you do want to twist this pretty tight because you are working on blow dried hair. As you work your way down your twist, you just want to make sure that your ends are detangled and you know everything is nice and uniform. It's pretty much the same technique as a regular twist out, just with dry hair and actually less products. We are only using one product, and as I finish I'm just gonna swirl it around, and this is what she looks like. She's not really that chunky, so maybe I can go in with a little bit more hair. And the reason I'm not going in with any water, I don't want to revert the blow dry hair back, and if you put enough cream you'll start to see that it reverts a little bit. So yeah, I don't feel like there's any need for water, but it's up to you. So I'm just twisting this bad boy pretty tight. Yeah, I need to get a whole, I need to go to the shop. I haven't got like my hair done in a really long time, and I wouldn't know how to act if I got my hair done in a salon because I've been doing my hair for so long. But I'm excited. I have a appointment in August. Hopefully I can catch her on a cancellation because she has been having cancellations, but you know I gotta kind of finesse that because they do be during the week. But hopefully very, very soon I'll be able to sit in this chair. Anyways, I'm going to continue to do the same technique as I'm doing with these twists. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this and finish off the rest of my hair, and I'll be back once I'm finished. next morning. I done put on some makeup, and now let's get to the takedown of these twists. I ended up with 15 total twists. Yeah, it should have been an even number, but for whatever reason, one side had one more and I wasn't taking it out, and I wasn't adding another one. They all look pretty decent size, so we just went with it. I'm gonna be taking my Jamaican black castor oil with coconut, rub a little bit in my hands, and I'm just gonna twist the entire twist the opposite way, and then I'm just gonna pull apart like that. Bow. I'm getting great definition. I'm really feeling the vibes because I still have like a lot of length. I'm getting some really good definition, but I'm not going to rule it out quite yet because we still have to break apart the twist, and that's usually when I mess up. So I'm going to try to take my time. Alright, so all of the twists are separated. This is what we're looking like right now. So now what we're going to do is begin to separate. So I'm going to take a little bit of my oil, and I'm going to just try to separate where my twists naturally break. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do like the fact that I still have length with this twist out. Typically when I do my twist out on wet hair, I get mad shrinkage and I'm just like, nah, I'm over it. But I am really feeling this. I did add some gold clamps just to spice it up a little bit. I'll probably add some more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.